Naming points on the coordinate plane. Now I know that you have already been introduced to the coordinate plane towards the beginning of the year. This is going to be a short week reviewing the coordinate plane, and we'll have a little quiz at the end. But starting with your interactive notebook on page 2, this is your notes page. I need for you to highlight a few things. Mrs. Simpson is going to review this with you. Make sure you highlight coordinate plane as a vocabulary word, axes, x-axis, y-axis, origin, quadrants, ordered pair, coordinates, x-coordinate, y-coordinate. On the picture here on the right, I need you to highlight the quadrant 1. Now, our quadrants are labeled not like a clock. They're counterclockwise, so it's the opposite. So our first quadrant is what we just highlighted. Our second quadrant, you go to the left. Then you go down to the third quadrant, and then you go to the right to quadrant 4. Now make sure you have these things highlighted because this will also help you with your little quiz at the end of this. And you will need to have those highlighted when Mrs. Simpson reviews. Now, this is not in your notebook, but this is something we're going to talk about. Now, an ordered pair are two numbers that go together to plot a point. And right here, 3, 4 is an ordered pair. 3 is called my x-coordinate. And the 4 is my y-coordinate. Where we start whenever we graph an ordered pair is the origin. And we start with the x-axis, which is horizontal, that runs left to right. And then our second point is plotted on the y-axis, up and down, vertical. Now this is just a review, jog your memory of the coordinate grid, the coordinate plane, and our vocabulary. So at the end of this now, you need to complete the quiz attached to this Google form. And when you're finished, you need to complete the practice page 3.1 that Mrs. Simpson has given you.